this morning we're going to show you the morning chicken routine. And we take a scoop of prepared layer crumbles for our chickens. And then we head out. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful walking in. Okay. Now we're going to go say good morning. I messed up the timer, so I had to fix the light. Turning on the light for the chicken. No. Always want to come out. Okay, so I'm going to go around their door. I have some food scraps from breakfast that I will be giving them.
Some feta cheese I spilled.
Yeah. Hi, Birdie Birds. We gotta get that out. I'm gonna pull out this. Uh-oh. They're gonna try to escape.
What?
I thought they were gonna go eat it out of the container.
Just pour it out. That's what I usually do.
Well, I want to get this out of the way first.
Okay.
Because they picked over this broccoli plant really well that I gave them yesterday. There's actually 2 broccoli plants here. And I'll take this to the compost bin and bring them some fresh vegetables later. But I just spread the scraps from this morning or last night. Just a little bit, not much this morning. Okay, now I put fresh, I gotta clean this off. Fresh grain in every morning. I try to only put enough. It's not grain. It's layer crumbles. Poultry layer crumbles that I buy from the farm store. And I try to only put enough in that there won't be much left over at night, because want it to absorb moisture and so I try to clean up a little bit. This is just to keep them from going on top of their food and potentially
pooping in it.
Pooping or peeping in it. So we just want to keep the food clean. So that's the cover for it. We have a heat light. I open the window every morning and I close it every night. Gives them good ventilation. So it looks like one of them laid an egg already this morning. So that's good. And I bring that in, put it in the refrigerator. Alright, then the next thing I do is I get a container that I can pour the water that's sitting on the outside of the water trough, because I like to rinse it out because they tend to kick the shavings in it and some of their feces and whatnot, so this way that it's clean. And every 3 days I completely dump it out and scrub it with soap
Whoa.
and rinse it thoroughly. And then I go down to the garden and get some vegetables that I can bring up for them to eat. There they are, eating their fresh crumbles. Okay, we're walking down to the garden.
Is there buried a pumpkin after I kicked its face open?
Hi, it's November. We've had a pretty good harvest. We had to put up fence because the deer ate all the tomatoes down, the peas, and the soybeans. I wasn't even sure if the soybeans would do well here because of they're a long season crop. And but some of them did sprout back, and we did collect some seed for next year. I've started peas, a second harvest of peas, and they're producing right now. And the carrots are still growing like crazy, and the zucchini are still producing. Show the zucchini.
Oh, yeah.
But for the chickens will eat zucchinis if you smash them, and same with cucumbers. But right now we have a lot of New Zealand spinach down here that is kind of overgrown and going crazy, so I'm going to harvest that to bring to the chickens. They don't like it as much as they like broccoli, but I've used up all my broccoli plants, so we're going to move on to the New Zealand spinach and maybe the Brussels sprouts later.
I personally don't like the New Zealand spinach, this variety of spinach, because it's too strong and fuzzy. But do you like it, Mom?
I like it. It has a thicker leaf than the normal English spinach, but I think the flavor is just as good. But yeah.
I'm eating one. It's actually kind of fun. I don't know why I didn't like it. Oh no, it's the aftertaste that makes it. Bringing it up to the chickens. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Mrs. Wilson, ready. Mrs. Wilson, the quirkiest chicken on the farm. Here's our cat. Here's our cat Beaker. He's fine with the chickens, but the cat Wiggum isn't.
Why?
Because he bites.
He bites us. I've yet to see him bite a chicken.
Yeah. We just think that because he's more the aggressive one.
Beaker ran from the chickens when they were all out of their pen.